Thanks for watching this video. Now, you can download this 3D model to use freely in your projects, just for a cheap price. Just follow my Gumroad link down below in the description to this video and or the comments. Just look for the description and look for the link and just follow the link and you can download this 3D model right now. I'm very happy to share my 3D models with you and packs of 3D models too. And if you want to get more content, including more videos, more 3D models, more art, more animation, more music and lots more stuff, just please subscribe to my Patreon page, which is at Silo Sketch. I'll also leave the link for that in the description to this video. As I say, I hope you enjoy everything I share. Thank you very much.